In this video, I will show you how to add like, share and subscribe animation to your video, and it's free. Check some of sample animation. Let's get started. Reward me with like, share and subscribe. This motivates a lot. Tag it 100 likes. Open a Movavi video editor and start a new project. Add your video and drag it to timeline. Next, you have to download the green screen video. Go to Pixabay. Enter like in search bar and hit enter. Make sure to choose video and filter. Download any video you like. Add it to Movavi editor in same project. Drag the video to desired position on separate track. Next, select the green screen video. Right-click, go to Tools and the select Chroma Key. Green color is by default selected. Click on Apply button. That's it! You have added awesome like, share and subscribe button to your video. Click on Export button to export video and save it to folder. Thanks for watching. If you find video helpful, please subscribe